Welcome back everyone, my name is Abdullah Gori, and in this video we'll talk about variables and their data types in C++. And the variables are same as what we learned in the maths class. So whenever we create a variable x, we can say the empty box in RAM will be created, and in that empty box we can store the data, but the data can only be a particular type. And there are some data types in C++ and many other programming languages as well. So like integer, floats, doubles, characters, strings. So what are the integer? The integer in which we can only store the numbers, or we can say only the whole numbers, not after decimal point. We cannot store 5.8, we can only store 5, 10, 200, not the number after the decimal point. And in float we can store the numbers after the decimal point, like 13.5, 8.13, etc. And in characters we can only store only single character. It can be a number, ABC, alphabet, or any symbol. And in a string we can store any textual data. There are many other data types in C++, so we'll also go through from these data types. So in this tutorial we will discuss about integer data types. So let's suppose we want to create a variable x. So how can we create the variables? So we just have to type int, then variable name like x equal to, then this equal to sign means assignment operator. This is known as assignment operator, and we can assign with any number. So we can say 30. Okay, so how can we print this value? So to print that we can simply say cout x and then click on build and run. There we go. We store 13 in x, then we print x. The output will be 13 because whatever in the variable is printed on the console application or console screen. So after that, let's say we want to print something like that x equal to 13 or whatever present in x. So we can say x, we have to write x equal to, because this is our message, and after that we can say x, and let me include end line there. So this means cout to means print what x equal to. So this is just a string message, and after that we type another insertion operation, because as I mentioned in the previous video that we can write multiple statement using these insertion operation, and then we can type x. That's mean print x space equal to space whatever the value is in the x, and then in the line. So let me build in this program. So x equal to 13. So let's suppose we want to change the value of x. So we can say x equal to 6. Build and run this program. The output will be x equal to 6 because these are the variables. The data in these variable can be changed. So there we go. The output is x equal to 6. So let's suppose you want to create another variable. You can create this like x int y. You can just declare a variable, and then after that you can initialize that y equal to 4, and let's say we want to print the y, cout, and we can say y equal to and whatever present in y. Okay, let me build and run this program. So x is equal to 6 because first we initialize x with 13 and then we change it to 6, and then we create another variable. This means that we declare another variable, and then after that we initialize the y, variable y, with 4. So this is the output. So let's say you want to do any calculation with these numbers. So let me create a variable of sum, int sum, and let's say you want to do addition. So sum equal to x plus y, and after that we can say cout addition equal to, and insertion operation, and then we can say sum. So what will be the addition? Addition is 10, so this is the output, addition equal to 10. Let's say you want to subtract these number, so you can say here sum equal to x minus y, not x equal to y, x minus y, and you can print these, you can print this value as well. So subtraction equal to sum and inline. So let me run and build and run this program. So there we go, addition equal to, when we place 6 and 4, the answer will be 10, and minus 4 from 6, the answer will be 2. And why there is 10 and 2? Because first in sum we add these number, and then first it will solve the right hand side, and then whatever the value it will assign to the variable. So x plus y means 4 plus 6 is 10, then sum equal to 10, then we'll print sum, and here we are initializing sum with x minus y, means 6 minus 4 equal to 2, then sum equal to 2. And let's say we want to say sum equal to x into y, then we can say multiplication equal to, and then we can say whatever value present in sum. So let me run this program. So multiplication is equal to 24, because 4 times 6 equal to 24. Okay, we can also divide these numbers. So sum equal to x divided by y, and cout and division equal to, and whatever the value present in sum will be printed on the screen. So division will be equal to 1. Why 1? Because in integer we can only store the numbers, not the numbers with the decimal point. So whatever after the decimal point will be ignored in integer data type. These are the 4 operations we usually do. There is another operator which is known as mod operator or modular operator. So let's say sum equal to x percentage y. That's mean the x percentage sign will return the remainder. So let's say cout and mod equal to, and there we go, sum and inline. So let's build and run this program. So answer is 2. So thank you guys for watching. This is my C++ tutorials, and if you have any question you can comment below, and if you like this video click on the like button and do subscribe our channel and click the bell button so you don't miss any new video. I will upload videos on regular basis. So hope you enjoy my videos. Thank you guys.